Hi, my name is Erin Kate Morrison. Most people just know me as EK. I can't speak enough to the program and just this workshop in general. I am a former teacher, so the idea of sales and marketing is completely new to me. That's why I invested in the Beach Bosses initially, and I've gone through some of the academy already. So it was really great that the first day, a lot of the stuff I had gone through within the academy. So it was just sometimes when you're doing stuff individually, you'll process it, you'll kind of go through it, and it makes sense to you. But then to have it really be taught to you and hear other people asking questions and how like their experiences and how you can then really understand and take action with that information and your new knowledge. Day 2, super intense. My biggest takeaway thus far, which really helps me know that I have made the right decision for myself and my family, and this is what I can do, and that the Beach Bosses are going to be the ones that take me to that next level, is a quote that they said yesterday, right? Like 90% of this is mindset. And I had no idea, because I'm thinking to myself, well, I can learn how to do this. I'm a smart person. I'm a fast learner. I'm motivated. But I didn't realize that a lot of the things that were holding me back were my mindset. And that it has really nothing to do with the ability to, they can teach you how to make these groups, they can teach you how to curiosity post, they can teach you all of these things. But if you're not really ready to receive that information, if you're not essentially good with yourself, and not even just where you're currently at. I mean, in this workshop, so many things have been coming up for so many people, and it's so amazing. You see that transformation. They are genuine. They want to connect with you, and they want you to achieve the results you want. This isn't a cookie cutter, like it's a universal system that they're providing for you and they're teaching you, but they genuinely take the opportunity to get to know you, to understand, you know, kind of like the purpose and why you're doing this stuff, but then understand what it is that's really holding you back. And if they're changing lives and doing things like that in just a weekend, imagine, you know, doing these workshops, their programs, all that stuff, what they can do for you and your business. So I can't speak highly enough of them. I'm so excited to engage with them more, meet more people that are in this group, and really rely on that, because you know, you're not alone in this, and even your struggles. And so even when you feel down about yourself or you feel overwhelmed, they really just help you really solidify and think, don't compare yourself to anybody else. What can you do right now to help alleviate this situation? It really just forces you to kind of step back and take a look at yourself. And obviously they teach you how to evaluate the systems and what you're doing in your work, but it really comes down to you thinking about your mindset and what is it that you want, what's keeping you, at this point, or where you feel like you're stuck or that you can't push forward and break through this barrier that you're having in terms of establishing your business and really, whatever your next goal is. So it has been an amazing experience. It has jump-started me, and I'm ready to kind of go. I've reached out and met some other people in terms of like our group to feel that support, because I don't. And sometimes when you make this transition, family members, friends, sometimes people don't get it. And so when you understand that you know that you're doing this for a reason, you understand and you feel that you have the ability to do that. Once you make that mind shift set, like switch that up real quick, follow and listen to what they say, use this support. I mean, I can't wait to see what's in store for me these next couple months, not to mention like where I'll be at in a year. So I can't speak highly enough of these amazing women, this amazing group, and this workshop is absolutely next level. That's the only way to describe it.